This is an extreme noise filtering demonstration by VERTIX Global, leader in affordable wireless communication systems for sports and non-sports application. Hi, this is Philip Tan, CEO of VERTIX Global. Over here, I have two pieces of equipment. This is the noise source that will generate the noise that will represent the most common industrial noise you can find, and over here we have the spectrum and the audio signal analyzer. As you can see from the spectrum analyzer, it's a very broad range extending below 100 Hertz, and this is what the audio like an oscilloscope signal will look like. And an audio signal will look something like that. I have over here two sets of the VERTIX Actio, which is used for commercial applications that are already paired and connected. I have a microphone around here so you can hear me speaking through. And what I will do right now is to put this and isolate it inside the box. I'll just tape up so that it doesn't fall off. And now for a quick demonstration of how you would hear the noise filtering. I'm going to move myself to the noise source and put the other speaker from this set close to the pickup microphone, so you can hear me loud and clear here. And I'm just going to move close. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, it filters out the noise effectively and making the communication quality like what you have here without the noise. Thank you for watching.